Hi there, I have compiled a list of websites that can help you make money for free online in South Africa, Zambia, and the world at large. But before I begin to list these websites that can allow you to make money online for free, make sure that you subscribe to my channel. Like seriously, you lose nothing and you can unsubscribe at any time. All links to the websites I will list are there in the description below where you can learn more. The first website to make money in South Africa for free is Redbubble. This is a print-on-demand service. You make money in South Africa by uploading a design and you get paid for each sold item. If you can't draw or design, then just upload some funny text for a niche. The second website is Skillshare. This is a platform that you can use to create courses and users subscribe to a subscription and you get paid. You can make courses for free and you can teach anything you know. The third website to make money in South Africa for free is Udemy. Udemy is similar to Skillshare, but learners on Udemy do not pay a subscription but buy individual courses. Many people prefer learning on Udemy than Skillshare. The fourth website is YouTube. You can make money in South Africa on YouTube by uploading videos and monetizing them by AdSense or affiliate marketing. The fifth website to make money for free in South Africa is Shutterstock. You can make money on Shutterstock in South Africa by uploading any type of your own images or videos. The sixth website is Merch by Amazon. This is similar to Redbubble but with a wider market. The seventh website to make money in South Africa for free is Fiverr. I believe everyone is good at something. You can use this platform to sell your skills like web design, video editing, voiceovers, singing, writing, etc. The 80th website to make money for free in South Africa is Textbroker. If you are good at writing text, you can get paid for that. The ninth website to make money for free in South Africa is Instagram. For this, you will need a big audience to be able to make money and be able to either sell items or become an influencer and reach out to brands. And the last one is Shoutcart. This platform helps you connect to brands or agencies if you are an influencer on Instagram. These are the only top 10 platforms I had for you. I have written a very comprehensive article on this at my blog. Simply click the link in the description to learn more. If you liked this video, please click on the like button. And I also read and reply to all comments. Ask anything.